Hey, today we are going to read a poem Garden Snake written by Muriel L. Son. Well, have you ever seen a snake fighting a mongoose or getting into a hole or swimming in the river? Everyone, almost everyone has seen a snake once in their life. And everyone believes that snakes are dangerous. But the reality is that some are dangerous, but most of them are not. So let's read this poem on a harmless garden snake. I saw a snake and ran away. Some snakes are dangerous, they say. But mother says that kind is good and eats up insects for his food. So when he wiggles in the grass, I will stand aside and watch him pass and tell myself there is no mistake, it's just a harmless garden snake. Here the poet is recalling the times of his childhood, and he told us that when he was a child he saw a snake and he ran away because he had heard that snakes are dangerous. Then his mother explained him that the kind of snake he has seen is good. It actually eats up insects for his food. So once when he again saw the snake in the grass, he was wiggling through the grass, he just stand aside and watched him passing. He didn't tease him or didn't get scared. Then the poet told himself that there is no mistake, it's just a harmless garden snake. Coming to the rhyming scheme of this poem, it is very easy to find out that every couplet has a rhyming word. For example, away is the rhyming word of say, so we will give it the name A. Then good, a rhyming word of food. So the alphabet given to them will be B. Then grass is the rhyming word of pass. So the alphabet will be C. And mistake is the rhyming word of snake. So it will be D. So the rhyming scheme of the poem will be A, B, C, D.